Renato Verde, base cream third year, Charlie, and I am here to demonstrate the parts and functions of a vehicle. First, I will demonstrate the external parts of this vehicle. So first, this is a hood
Go.
and protects the engine compartment. This is the bumper,
Go.
and the function of this bumper is absorb minor impact during collisions. The function of this side mirror is it helps the driver see vehicles and behind to the sides.
Go.
The door provides access to enter and exit the car.
Go.
And this is the windows.
Go.
Window allow visibility while protecting passengers from wind and debris. This is the wheels or tires.
Go.
Tires is support the car's movement and grip the road.
Go.
So this is the headlight.
Go.
Headlight it's illuminate the road ahead when driving in low light. This is the grille.
Go.
Allows air to flow into the engine by cooling. And this is the tail lights. Tail lights indicate braking and signaling at the rear of the car.
Go.
And the roof it protects the passenger from the sun, rain, and other weather conditions.
Go.
And next, I will demonstrate the internal parts of a vehicle.
Go.
And first, section of the car when you turn to the left and turn to the right.
Go.
Dashboard displays important gauges like speedometer and fuel level. And this is the gear shift.
Go.
And this is the gear shift transmission lever. It changes gears for speed and torque control.
Hard.
So this is the seat and it provides support and comfortable for the drivers and the passengers. This is the seat belt. Seat belt safety devices to secure occupants in place.
Go.
This one is the accelerator, the brake, the clutch. These pedals control speed and vehicle movement.
Go.
And this is the air conditioning.
Go.
Air conditioning system regulates the temperature and airflow inside the car.
Go.
The rear view mirror.
Go.
Rear view mirror provides a view of traffic behind the vehicle.
Go.
And this is the audio system.
Go.
Audio system or radio entertainment and navigation controls.
Go.
And this is the glove compartment.
Go.
Glove compartment storage box on the passenger side dashboard. This is the accelerator or gas pedal. Accelerator controls the amount of fuel entering the engine to adjust speed. And this is the brake system, slow down or stop the vehicle. And then this is the clutch, engage and disengage the engine from the transmission when shifting gears. Windshield.
Go.
The windshield protects the passengers from wind, dust, and debris while allowing clear vision. And this is the windshield wipers. Windshield wipers clean the windshield for better visibility during rain or dust.